Hey folks, welcome back to Kentucky Hot Wheels video series. This is just going to be a short follow-up video. I haven't put a video out for a while. We've had some side projects going on, busy at work, you know, that kind of stuff. I think the last video I put out was actually installing the 2024 grill on the Gladiator. Other than that, I haven't really done anything. I've added a couple monitors, I'll show you here in just a minute, to the Gladiator. But it's been so hot here in Kentucky, haven't really had a chance to get the Beetle out and enjoy it. So today it's actually decent. I think it's in the low 70s. So it's a good day to get the Beetle out and play around with it some. Also taking advantage of the weather, and it's that time of the year to go ahead and get some Halloween decorations out. The wife and I are getting ready to build some pumpkin lamps out of solar lights. That's what these are for. That's a real afternoon project today. Still working on the Abandoned Herbie custom. I've never spent this much time on one of these before. I just haven't had time to get around to it. I know that's a sort of excuse, but I always put one out for Halloween, around Halloween time, with a Halloween theme. I think this is going to be it this year. So anyhow, I'll show you a couple things I have done to the Gladiator since the last video. Nothing major, just a way for my grandson to watch videos and stuff when he's riding with me. Of course, I did have the bullet point mount for my phone, so I got the mount for a tablet. And this tablet here is an Amazon Fire 11. I got these when they had their Prime days here about a month or so ago. But I just got it power coming off my little auxiliary 12-volt unit here, and basically I just use it. I've got some videos on it for him to watch when we're out and about and doing stuff. Also, since they were so cheap, I installed one here in the back as well. So I've got a granddaughter as well, so when they're with me and they're riding back here, they've got their videos. Now I do have a Verizon MiFi that I can connect to the cell network, and I have a Plex media server running at home. I can actually connect to my home server and watch movies off my home server as well. And of course you can watch Netflix and stuff like that as well. But it's pretty nice. You know, they were cheap enough for what they do. I did notice it got so hot the other day that the one in the front shut down, so they don't like a lot of heat. I think it was like 100 degrees outside. It's hard telling how hot it was inside the truck. But yeah, this little headset or headrest mount here. Mounts good and secure. Of course, I'm using auxiliary power out the back to keep it powered up and everything. But again, just you can see, I ain't got my glasses on, so I can't see. I think it's here. Nope, I ain't got my glasses on. I got it. Yeah, I've got a folder here with a bunch of movies on it and everything. And we can just load up a movie and let them watch it. Let's see, anything else? Again, I will do a follow-up on a couple of things. The Tiger bed cover that I got early or late last winter is holding up well. I do treat it with some Armor All when I wash the truck, but very pleased with it. That's the best 290 bucks I ever spent. I love it. The Archetype stirrup steps that I waited so long for and were crazy expensive, they're holding up well, as they're holding up good as well. No issues with them whatsoever. Powder coating staying on just fine. No issues at all. I get a lot of people asking about my light rack. Let me put you right in the sun. The Tiger basket on the Jeep rails, and just some cheaper lights I got off Amazon. And I've got them connected to my volt switch, or the pillar switch over there. I'll show you here in a minute. And I got a disconnect right here if I want to take everything off. Let me get on the other side so that sun's not blinding you. Oh, I also added another dash cam I'm using the Garmin 67W up front and another Garmin 67W right there in the back. So now I've got video front and back. I think that's one of the best investments anybody can make is a dash cam. Oh, I put my Oracle lights back on. I was running the Jeep lights again for a while. I always flip-flop. I just can't make up my mind which ones I like the best. Looks wise, I do like the Oracle tail lights a lot better, but in a way the Jeep tail lights is what makes it a Jeep. You know, they just got that, they've always had that look. And if you look way down there, see a Jurassic Park Jeep my neighbor has. Very authentic, very detailed to look just like the Jurassic Park Wrangler. Okay, back over to here. Again, this is the Vol switch I installed earlier in the year. The video on that, very easy. And then my rack again with my lights. And the switch controls these lights here on the cowl. It controls the lights up here on my rack. And it also controls the lights here on my bull bar. So 3 different switches for 3 different sets. So I still got an open switch I can use for something else. But other than that, I haven't done anything to the Jeep again since the install of the grill, which I'm very, very happy with, 100%. I think my next install, and it might not happen till probably sometime in the winter, is I'll go ahead and put another winch back on. I do kind of miss my winch. As for the Beetle, again, like I said, it's been too hot to do anything, so I haven't had a chance to play around with it. Did some adjusting on the carburetor earlier in the spring, but that's really about it. So like I said, it's decent today, so it's a good day to get it out and do something with it. So again, other than that, this is just an update. Nothing major going on. Doing a little cleaning in the garage here while we get some of the Halloween decorations out, all that good stuff. But I hope to get back on the Herbie custom here soon, because I definitely want it done by Halloween, because it's going to have that Halloween theme to it. So if y'all have any questions, comments, let me know below. I appreciate you all visiting, and I hope to get some more content out here soon. Now the weather's changing a little bit and it's a little cooler outside. Till then, I'll talk to you guys later.